Hey there, Matt Wicks from Tina here. I just wanted to take you through some changes I've made to the CMS editor. I've given it a bit of a UI refresh and fixed a couple of issues that people were concerned about. So let's take a look. So here we go. I've got the old editor here. We've got a buttons, branch selector, a button to collapse the sidebar, full screen button. We also have the name of the collection here, and I'll just take you through there. We've given it a bit of a UI refresh. So if I go across to the new version, we can see we've got the buttons are less pronounced. We've also changed the sidebar button and gotten rid of the full screen button. So this works in the exact same way. If I click on the sidebar, it'll collapse, and I can click on it again to bring it back. So that hasn't changed. We've gotten rid of the full screen button, but you can grab the grab handle on the side and make that as big as you want if you still want to do some full screen editing. The other change that we've done is, we've got this collection name here. This would only ever show the collection name. And if I wanted to drill into certain items in the schema, so if I went to features, check out the docs, icon, I can't actually tell from what's going on here because it only says icon. I can't tell that I went to features and feature items and I actually went a few levels deep. So I've cleaned that up by introducing a new breadcrumb component. So if you just watch up here where the collection name is, what will happen is I'll go to features and all of a sudden features are showing up. It's being breadcrumbed. So then if I go to check out the docs and icon, I can see the full breadcrumb experience here. And it was a little bit, there's a few too many items. So I've even collapsed it down so that some of the early on things are still available, but just not visible. So it's not so cluttery. So if I do want to jump back to features, I can, bang, and I can keep on editing. I know exactly where I am whilst I'm editing. This was actually really good because it allowed us to fix an outstanding issue that was on the UI, where I've got a reproduction for it here. If I had a particular schema set up where I've got this scope object, inside there I've got a rich text, and inside that rich text I've got a component embedded inside there. You previously couldn't clicking on this content block would do nothing, but now we've been able to fix it and it still works with breadcrumbing at the top. So there you go. I've taken you through some UI polish that we've applied to the interface. I've got some new buttons going on. We've got some new breadcrumbing. So as you're going through and editing your content, you can see the different levels and jump back and forth easily. And we've even fixed some issues in terms of selecting components inside rich text elements. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.